This is One Man, One Camera. Today is May 19th, about 2:15 in the afternoon. 73 degrees, extremely windy. Let's have some fun. So check it out. The Russell Road sidewalk is not done yet, but it's on its way. Looks like they have to put some cement around that junction box. Well, I call it junction box. Down there, and voila, okay? Let's take a ride and see what's going on. All right. Now, there's not much activity outside of the stadium today, so I decided just to do a little bit of a ride by. All right. Hey, oh, these are temporary, huh? Okay, all right. So check it out. So they have these temporary, oh, shit, take off the mask. They have these temporary hand sanitizing machines. Ah, pretty good, all right? Stay clean, stay healthy. All right, like I said, this is a very nice day today. It is not too hot, just about 73 degrees, but the wind is a son of a gun today. So we're gonna ride down here, get off of the sidewalk, and get into the street. Nice sidewalk, very smooth. So well done. All right, let's go. Let's get into the street. As you can see, there's just some equipment hanging around, hanging about. The stadium does look very nice. I think it looks nice. Normally, I don't come out on these windy days and go ride because it's just a pain in the backside, you know? So I just don't come out. But today, I felt like coming out. I had cabin fever a little bit. Had to get out and do something. And so I figured a nice little ride by of the Allegiant Stadium. Just a quick look-see to see how things are going. Would be nice. Got a runny nose, you guys. Uh-oh. Kind of scary. Now here is this fencing that we were talking about earlier on other videos. Let me see if I can pull over and get a closer look at it. Now, unfortunately, I am droneless, so I cannot. Oh, I can see the grass. Wait a minute. Wait. Hey, check it out. I can see part of the grass, which is nice. Very, very nice. And then here's that taller fence, which surrounds the field tray. And they still have some parts to work on it still, so it'll probably be done pretty quick. So the place is looking good. It has been looking good. Allegiant Stadium. Yeah, the wind was so much, it's like 22, 25 miles per hour the wind is. So I just, and I lost part of my mic, my good mic. I lost a little furry thing to cut the wind out. I lost that. So I have to get one of those. I think it works really well. So, oh well. Some more fencing. So it looks like, I imagine this whole part will be just sealed off from the public to walk through. But as you know, they have repaved or blacktopped Polaris. Just need to put the yellow stripes down, That's good. And this guy right here, hang on, that little thing, that little small junior steamroller, I didn't know that's radio controlled until someone, I think Duntuff had a video on it. It's radio controlled, which surprised me. That was pretty cool. Check it out, got a row of palm trees, still tied up. Big old mound of dirt. Okay. Looking good. As I noted before in a previous video, at the corner of Polaris and Hacienda, they are installing stoplights and the crosswalk for pedestrians. Because previously it was nothing, just a stop sign, spend your dollar, take your chances sort of thing. So they had to, with the expected amount of foot traffic to increase down here. And I think this is the VIP lot north of the stadium. Now I turn the corner, the sound might go bad, okay? So just bear with me, okay? Okay, stop sign. All right. So, here is the northern western side of the stadium. And you can see they're adding some landscaping here, these little plants. It should be pretty cool, I believe. Gonna turn right onto Al Davis Way, currently Alderan. There we go. And the scaffolding, hey, is being taken down. And just above the scaffoldings are lanai doors. But in some areas, they describe it as like a curtain, a glass curtain sort of thing. I like lanai doors better. See, this road right here, that road goes right into Polaris, straight across into the stadium area. Mm-hmm. Gate number 8. Yeah, and there goes the scaffolding. Should be done in a couple of days, I think, because a lot of it's gone now. Car on my left side. Truck for the entrance. You guys taking a break and drinking a soda pop. And even there are more fences going up on the interior also. We caught that. Gonna turn right down Dean Martin. Down on Dean Martin, to get a shot of the stadium from this side, from the east side of the place. And to the right is I-15. There's the Delano and Mandalay Bay. And a shot of the strip. So it is coming off looking pretty good. Pretty sweet. Got that massive video screen, 27,600 square feet. I believe it's 80 by 45. I believe those are the dimensions. You got a big old mound of dirt. Ugh. And overall it's looking pretty good. Now there's not that much activity on the outside of the stadium, so nothing really exciting to look at today as far as, people working and machinery moving around. But this screen is going to be huge. You know that? It's going to be huge. Allegiant Stadium. As you can see, Eastside is not completed yet. As far as just the ground itself, it's a lot of dirt. The landscaping not done yet. All this will be paved. Now, I don't know if you can see it or not, but the bollards, I wonder if I can do this. Try to zoom in. That'll work? Okay. See the bollards? And then behind that, there are some other fence posts. So, I don't know, I imagine those will be there to maybe shunt people in to certain exits and entrances on event days. Because I imagine there's a lot of crowd control here where you can't just roam around and go in, wherever you want. If your seat is section XYZ, you must enter, door number 123 or something like that. Video screen, all right. But this place is looking pretty sweet. Pretty sweet indeed. Got a cherry picker or a man picker or a man mover. Check it out. The scaffolding scaffolding is coming down. It looks like, yep, let me make this, let me get over here. It looks like a lot of it's taken down already. They're probably, what, 3/4 of the way finished? It should be done, I imagine, next few days, if that long. This area right here, probably like a gathering area, or I bet there's some little pop-up things going on over here, fan events, fan things. Cool, all right. Just a moment. There we go, that's the money shot. Now when those lanai doors open, it's gonna be one heck of a shot, a view for some fans out to the strip. And you can imagine on game days when it's open and there's a live broadcast, the announcer is talking about the lanai doors. Mark my words. Yeah, scaffolding's coming down, yeah. So the place is coming right along, which is nice. And as far as I know, they should be open on time, but with the madness going on, who really knows when the first game we played. I haven't seen anything definite. Maybe, of course, I missed it. With all the madness happening, will the game be played, the first game be played as scheduled, or scheduled, as they say, back on the sidewalk. All right, I like this sidewalk. Remember this sidewalk? This thing's like 40 feet wide, right here. So, coming to Hacienda Bridge. And remember, the walk from the strip, the corner of Las Vegas Boulevard and Mandalay Bay, to gate number 8, which is where Al Davis Way runs right into, it's only 12 or 13 minutes. It is a very, very easy walk. And when I did it, I was actually surprised how close the stadium is to the strip. So, you know, there's always a lot of talk about there was always a lot of talk about transportation to the stadium, and you know, hop on your Uber, Lyft, or whatever, or bus. I believe this lot right here will be the rideshare place. Hop on here, hop off, or walk in. The thousands upon thousands of people who are going to walk in from the strip. You know, and I said at the beginning, people will walk. You know, I think that a lot of folks were saying maybe no, but you know what? Even on a hot day, you'll have folks walking. Because I know when they have EDC, is that what's called? EDC, Electronic Daisy Carnival, I think it's called that. It's hot those days usually, right? But there are so many people roaming around the strip those days. All right, you guys, that's enough of my jibber jabber. And as usual, I want to thank you all for stopping by today. It's always a pleasure. Like I always say, to me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. Check out the wind. Yeah, wowza. Ja. Bye-bye.